Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a uniquely designed residence, lushly landscaped with just the right fruits you would love to have at home. Here you will enjoy the cool Caribbean breeze and the quiet atmosphere throughout the year. The land area of this house is 16,756 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.